Exercise 4. Exercise 4. Now, who wants to read? Idols, please.
Travel, wander, prove, find evidence, huge, very large, approximately, approaching, images, pictures, begun, started, found, discovered, many, numerous.
Okay, now, Idol's answer. Is it right?
Yes.
No, good job. Thank you. Sit down. Now, before we start our lesson, I will divide you into the two groups. Now, the first group is the blue, and the second group is the yellow blue. Okay? Now come here, please. Okay, the blue group now sit in this, the yellow group sit in this. Okay. Now, today, look at the screen now, please. Today we have a new theme. Today's our theme is grammar, past passive. This is today's our objectives. Now, organize and present information clearly to others. Use appropriately a variety of active and passive simple, present and past forms and the past perfect simple forms in narrative and reported speech on a range of familiar, general, and curricular topics. Now, listen to me incorrectly. How we use the past passive? In passive voice or simple past tense of affirmative sentences, we use auxiliary verbs was and were with the past participle that is the third form of verb. In this topic, we shall discuss the formation and the changing active to passive voice of simple past tense. In simple past tense, okay? Now, in English grammar, English grammar has got some grammars, active voice and passive voice. For example, how we use past passive voice. This is a form of the simple tenses. For example, subjects, yes, and be was verb, past participle of the verb, by, and the objects. Now, in active voice, we say, for example, they played football every day. In passive voice, so we say football was played by them every day. Active voice, we did not buy books yesterday. In passive, we say books were not bought by us yesterday. Now, please check up your knowledge for examples. Now, please. In active, we say they watched a movie. How we say in passive? Now, please. Only I guess not please. I guess.
A movie was watched by them.
A movie
Was watched by them.
was watched by them. Now, please. Is it right? Yes. Good job. Down. Now, a mason built a wall. How we say in passive? Now, who wants? Please. Now, someone else, please.
A wall was built by a mason.
How? A wall.
A wall was built a mason.
Mason, yes. Now, is it right? A wall was built by a mason. Okay, so next, in active voice, the teacher delivered a lecture. Now, who wants? Now, please.
A lecture was delivered
by a teacher.
Let's check. Okay. Lecture was it? Okay, good job, Shaki. Now the next. Play the game. And now, if you understand this grammar, now let's check up your knowledge. How we understand this? Not play. Let's play the game. The game is the who is the faster. How we are play this game. Now, you see in this all some cards, yes? Yellow cards and blue cards. In these cards, we are complete this sentence, be quick, then read, then write your points. In every sentences, you have a 2 points, okay? Now, let's start. This is for you, for yellow group, this is for you, the blue group. Now this. Now this is, who has a pin? Okay, now I just is it
He was
first?
beaten in the final.
Fine. Okay, he was beaten in the final. Good job. You have 2 points right now. Now the next. Who? Now happy.
The police was killed by
Neighbor. Okay, the police. Now right. Okay. You have 2 points. Okay, good job. Sit down, I guess. Now Madina, please.
The magic dress was designed by a famous designer.
The wedding dress was designed by a famous designer. Okay, Madina, you have 2 points. Now write down 2 points. Okay, now please, not all it.
It was composed by best
The horn. Okay, not down it. 2 points. Okay. Now please.
These lovely cakes were made by my mom.
Wait. Okay, good job. And then 2 points. Right now. Now please, who wants? Now please.
This photo was taken on a holiday.
Was taken. Good job. 2 points. Now please, Jen.
was invented using
What's the words? Subject.
gunpowder was invented using
By the
by
Chinese. Okay, by 2 points. Good job. Sit down, sit down. Now please.
This book was written by a famous writer.
Okay, Mohammed, 2 points. Right now. Okay. 2 points.
The moons of Jupiter
The moons of Jupiter
were discovered by
Okay, 2 points. Now please. Answer read. My car. My car were or my car? Was, yes. My car was. You write down was. No, was. Repair or repaired. Was repaired. Repaired. Now, okay, Maqsad, 1 point. Thank you, sit down. Okay. So next tasks, I will give some pictures. The task is we work in group. We make some sentences using these pictures, using this grammar, okay? Today's grammar. Now in group. Now in this paper, write down. Who wants to write? In group. Elsewhere. Now please. Here. In group. Work in group. Students in group. You have a 4 minutes for this task. 4 minutes for this task. 4 minutes. The second group. Have you finished it? The first group. Sorry. Have you finished it? The group blue. Okay. Okay, now please read. Who wants to read? One by one, yes? One by one.
Here, the list was composed by people.
Okay. Now stop talking. Listen.
The singer was sculpted by Robin.
Okay.
The telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell.
Airplanes were invented by the
Brother. Okay, good job. But the all sentences is right. You have our 8 points. You have 8 points. Good job. Now please.
Modern fish was written by Charles Dickens. Hamlet was written view.
No. One by one. Now read one by one.
Okay.
One by one. The second.
Hamlet was written by Shakespeare.
Shakespeare. Okay, good job. The next.
The film was written by Stephen King.
Shining. Yes. Shining was okay. The next. The last one is terrestrial.
was directed by Steven Spielberg.
Okay, good job. You have 8 points. Good job. Your group is have 8 points. Now, thank you very much for your answer, pupils. The time is the reflection times. Now, I will give some stickers for you. How I feel about my work today. Now, put the tick, yes? Then show me. Please. How I feel. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thanks. Now Okay.
Sınıfta.
Okay. It's really okay. Now thank you very much for your answers and your home task for today. The students' book, now write down your home task. The students' book exercise 2 on page 71. Now, have you understand today's our lesson?
Yes.
Yes? Are you understanding?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, goodbye. The lesson is over.